Hello friends, in this video I will talk about the important topics from the surgery and medicine which are likely to be asked in upcoming NEET exam. अगर हम सर्जरी की बात करें तो सर्जरी में बर्न्स एंड प्लास्टिक सर्जरी पार्ट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Plastic surgery is very important, right? And all the trauma, head trauma, abdominal trauma, total parental nutrition, splenic trauma is very important in surgery part, general surgery part. And most important topic is breast. Full topic is very important. All the breast reconstruction, all the radiotherapy surgery, breast implantation, silicone implant, every topic is very important. All the suture material and anastomosis you should read thoroughly. Staplers, because this is advancement in surgery, so all the staplers you should read. And if you talk about all the laparoscopic instrument, you should focus on this year, because now there are too many scopes in minimal access surgery and all the laparoscopic surgeries also, so you should read these topics thoroughly. And if we talk about esophagus, benign conditions of the esophagus, gallbladder and bile duct, rectum, anal canal, pancreatic neoplasms, intestinal obstruction, all the intussusceptions, volvulus, all this, appendicitis, and all the hernias. These are very important topics from GIT part. And you should read thyroid and parathyroid first, because around 2 to 3 question from these thyroid and parathyroid topic is for sure in this NEET PG एग्ज़ाम. हमारे एग्ज़ाम में पैराथायरॉयड ट्रांसप्लांटेशन का क्वेश्चन पूछा था, मियामी क्राइटेरिया पूछा था. तो थायराइड के टॉपिक में से सर्जरी पूछी थी, लाइक सर्जिकल पार्ट ऑफ द थायराइडक्टोमी. And if we talk about renal cancers, renal calculi, prostate infections in kidneys and all that. And pan is from the urology is very important. And if we talk about vascular surgery are gaining much importance in these years, because if we talk about vascular surgery, they are asking too much questions from the aortic aneurysm, varicose vein. There are for sure one question from varicose vein. एवरी ईयर ये वेरिकोज वेन में से क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. वेरिकोज वेन आपको छोड़ना नहीं है. डीप वेनस थ्रोम्बोसिस, देन aneurysm, thoracic aortic aneurysm, that classification is very important of aneurysm. And other topic is lymphedema is very important, very important. And other topic are aortic dissection, you can read. And these topics are very important in surgery. And if you talk about all the carcinomas, pancreatic carcinoma, colonic cancer, these are very important. They are asking too many questions from these topics. And other topic, important topic in surgery is if you talk like oral cancer, you can read if time permits, but that is not that important. And अगर हमारे पेपर की बात करें तो बहुत सारे क्लासिफिकेशंस और स्टेजिंग पूछे थे. तो पता नहीं क्यों अचानक से ये टॉपिक इंपॉर्टेंट हो गया स्टेजिंग और क्लासिफिकेशन का. बट हाँ, हमारे एग्ज़ाम में अराउंड 30 क्वेश्चन ऑफ सर्जरी थे, उसमें से 15 क्वेश्चन स्टेजिंग और क्लासिफिकेशन के ऊपर पूछे थे. तो यू शुड फोकस ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. देर आर गेनिंग मच इम्पॉर्टेंस दिस ईयर, सो यू शुड रीड दिस. In surgery, I want to tell you 3 all-time favorite topic or hot favorite topics in surgery which are asked in all the competitive exams repeatedly. And these topics are: one is Glasgow Coma Scale, other is classification of wound, and third topic is surgical site infection. Right? These 3 topics are trending every year in one another competitive exams. Other topic, which is pre-operative workup, which stands very importance for this year, because in our NEET PG exam there are 2 questions which are directly asked from this topic. एक क्वेश्चन तो कुछ ऐसा था कि पेशेंट को हर्निया का ऑपरेशन करवाना है, बट पेशेंट को 4 साल पहले मायोकार्डियल इन्फाक्शन की हिस्ट्री है. तो अभी पेशेंट स्टेबल है, अभी पेशेंट को कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, एंड पेशेंट मेडिकेशंस ले रहा है उसकी कोमोबिडिटी के लिए. तो विच वर्कअप विल यू डू फॉर दिस पेशेंट, ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछा था. तो इस तरह से कोई भी सिनारियो को कॉम्प्लिकेट करके वो आपको एग्ज़ाम में पूछ सकते हैं. तो you should prepare for this type of question in your upcoming NEET PG exam, right? So this is all about surgery. So now if we talk about medicine, in medicine, first we talk about CVS. In CVS you have to focus mainly on the basic topics of the CVS, like pulses, jugular venous pulse, it is very important. JVP, should not forget this. ECG, all the heart sounds, S1, S2, S3, S4, and all the abnormal heart sounds, very very important. And most common topic of CVS, like angina, hypertension, myocardial infarction, and medical emergency topic in CVS, that is cardiac tamponade. And if we talk other important topic is cardiomyopathy is also very important. Restrictive cardiomyopathy, dilated cardiomyopathy, and hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, and or other all other cardiomyopathy, that is Yamaguchi's cardiomyopathy and Takotsubo cardiomyopathy, very very important. Angina should not forget. And if we talk about CNS in medicine, the Parkinsonism and all the movement disorder, athetosis, akathisia, and all the movement disorder, their localization, very very important. Aphasia, it is must do topic in CNS. In our exam, our NEET PG exam, there are 3 questions directly asked from the aphasia topic. Must do topic in CNS is aphasia. All the myopathies, all the muscular disorders, this Guillain-Barré syndrome, myasthenia gravis, very very important. All the dermatomyositis, polymyositis is also important. Other important topic in CNS is stroke syndrome and localization. In our exam, 4 question or maybe 5 question are directly asked from the stroke syndromes, like Fever syndrome, Claude syndrome, Northern syndrome, very very important. All these stroke syndrome are very important. They can ask case based question from this stroke syndrome topic, right? And other important topic is migraine. Migraine is very important because it is clinically also common, and they are asking very much more frequently this topic. And other important topic is which is common with pharmacology is epilepsy. Mostly they are asking about anti-epileptic drugs and their management protocol of epilepsy, not other things in epilepsy, right? And if we talk about kidney, renal system in medicine, approach to the all the renal complaints, like approach to the oliguria, hematuria, approach to the polyuria, very very important. And other important topic is renal tubular acidosis, which is common with pediatrics. So it is very important. One question you will encounter from this in any exam throughout your preparation. And other important topic is pediatric renal conditions like Pata syndrome, Gitelman syndrome, Liddle syndrome, very important. And chronic kidney disease, CKI, like diabetic nephropathy, Alport syndrome, and autosomal dominant polycystic kidney disease, ADPKD, very important. And all the glomerulonephritis. And if we talk about specifically, then IgA nephropathy and acute post streptococcal glomerulonephritis is most important. And other glomerulonephritis which is common with pathology, I mean all the glomerulonephritis are important from the pathological point of view, like all the slides, electron microscopic slide, common microscopic slide, and microscopic slides. And if we talk about medicine aspect and both pathological aspect, rapidly progressive glomerulonephritis is very very important topic. Particularly their classification of rapidly progressive glomerulonephritis is most important topic in this part. And if we talk about GIT in medicine, then all the scores, that is Nazar score, alcoholic liver disease score, liver transplant, so child Pugh-Turcotte criteria, King's College criteria for liver transplantation is very very important. And if we talk about portal hypertension and varices, esophageal varices, management of the esophageal varices is very important topic from the medical point of view. And hepatitis key approach, hepatitis, particularly hepatitis B approach. And other topic is inflammatory bowel disease की treatment approach ज़्यादा पूछते हैं. IBD is the most important topic from the pathological aspect because microbiologically and gross picture they are asking most frequently किस में stricture होता है, किस में नहीं होता है, किस में pancolitis होता है, backwash ileitis. They are asking most frequently from these pathological points like macroscopic and microscopic aspect. And in medical point of view they are asking about treatment, mild, moderate, severe. इस तरह से दे आर आस्किंग अबाउट ट्रीटमेंट इन मेडिकल एस्पेक्ट. डायरिया इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. All the mild, moderate, severe, infectious diarrhea, non-infectious diarrhea, secretory diarrhea, osmotic diarrhea, all this criteria for secretory osmotic diarrhea. Full topic of diarrhea is very important. Every aspect, infectious and non-infectious also. And if we talk about respiratory system, it is most important system according to this coronavirus scenario. And in these particularly, pneumonia is very important. Other important are the occupational lung disease, that is asbestosis, silicosis, and pneumoconiosis, all other pneumoconiosis. So this is all about medicine and surgery. I will put remaining subjects important topic video in few days, and which is last video of this series. So till then, keep revising and stay home, stay safe. Right? Thank you so much.